finished up this 07 Z06. Came to us with a heads cam set up from another shop. I think he's got stock rod, stock crank, but I think he does have forged pistons in this car from what he told us when he dropped it off. And so yeah, we pulled out the other camshaft. It was more of an NA cam with real high lift, huge duration and all, and it was making like 580 when we dynoed it all motor. And we ended up swapping out his intake back to a stock intake, putting our S3.7 camshaft, which works really well with boost. This is the ANA T-trim kit, just standard 6 rib, with the Alky Meth setup on there. You already had a set of headers. This car we've already installed a McLeod RXT clutch before, as well as I think we got a built differential in this car a while back. But here we're just finishing up with it on the dyno. It touched, I think it says that there, max boost touched 9.6 or 9.7 pounds up top. It's got a 3.6 pulley on the T-trim. It's a beautiful car. I think it's only got 9,500 miles or so on it. And we ended up 836, 687 at the tires. Yeah, boost 9.7 is what we read. That was just up top, around 6,800 RPMs. So now I just got to finish this car off on the street, do some drivability. I think it's getting towards the end of the day now. I think it's going to rain tomorrow, so thinking in the next 2 days or so we'll get it out of the street, get it wrapped up, and get it back to the customer. Actually, let me see if I can pull up kind of the before and after on this car from where he was. Let's see. So there's a pretty solid before and after. The only changes between these two, we actually went from an MSD intake back to a stock intake and stock throttle body. We put our camshaft in it in favor of the other camshaft he had, and we put the ANA T-trim and Alky Meth. Besides that, nothing else changed. 580 to 836. So it's definitely some huge gains. Torque gains are great. I mean, graph looks beautiful, and this is definitely going to run pretty good at the track once he gets there. He might have to change his 26-inch tire and get a 28-inch tire on there at this power level. I know when he was cam only, he obviously went a little quicker on a 26, but big difference from 570, 580 up in the over 800 wheel range. So we'll get an idle video here once I pull it outside and all, and get some drivability done on it. Here is our S3.7 camshaft with a Corsa catback and long tube headers, no cats. LS2 6-speed automatic trans car that came to us engine-wise stock. And we added a Paxton 1500 supercharger, Alky meth kit, fast intake, ported throttle body, small blower cam, American Racing headers, as well as a Circle D triple disc billet torque converter. Right now we are just barely touching 10 pounds up top and on a pretty conservative setup. We are sitting at 646 at 603 at the tires. This car does have the restrictor plate in the air filter still, so we could probably pull that out, pick up another 2 or 3 pounds of boost and be up to 700 wheel range to the auto, but the customer does not want that at this point. Maybe once he gets into the track, gets a good drag rating on it, he might bring it back and have us turn it up a little farther. Now we're just going to finish off drivability and get this car delivered back to the customer. C6 manual trans. We just finished up with the cam install. He purchased some American Racing headers and installed them himself, and he has the Callaway cold air intake on it, stock intake, stock throttle body, and he brought it in, dropped it off for S3.2 cam package, which is definitely not max effort. The races are in the 230s, but it just works extremely well on these LS2 bolt-on cars. This one, I think he has a Borla exhaust, the American Racing system with the high flow cats. Great sounding cam. And here's what we're looking at for numbers. 448, 413. Great combination. Smooth drivability as well. So now we will finish it off, and as long as the weather holds out, I'm sure the customer will be picking up here very soon. I'm gonna fire it up here. Got a quick idle video.